Obviously there's something missing here. Look at that. Beautiful. Oh no! 1971. Isn't it beautiful? Wonderful. Wow. Have a look at that. Look at the grounding. Wow. Woohoo! There we go. Classic Tektronix. Hi. This is a Tektronix 475. We will have a very brief look inside. This will be a short video. Just some electronics porn. That's all. As you can see, it is in very poor condition. Lots and lots of dust and dirt. Yeah, anyway, I will clean this up later for eBay. This thing here came off. Obviously there's something missing here. Yeah. It will be included for free, basically. So, yeah. Here's the rear side, and as you can see, this scope has seen better days. The line voltage is not set correctly. Today we have approx 240 volts here in Europe, in Austria. So I will put it into the high mode. Now this was easy. There we go. A cute little power transformer, shielded, very nice. Here is the power switch, look at that. Here is, I guess, the trigger circuit. Very nice. Beautiful. Look at all the high quality parts. Wow. Nice. Thermal coupling. Great. Excellent wiring. Of course. Cute little transistors. Some old tantalum caps. I guess they will make trouble. More exciting transistors. And hey! Wait a minute. I thought they are soldered in, but have a look at that. The pin. I've pushed it back in, but it doesn't feel like it has a connection. More beautiful Tektronix parts. Nice. Rf Interconnections. Beautiful. Another pair of transistors, thermally coupled. Wonderful. Refer to manual. Yeah, will do. Oh no! Someone used contact cleaner. You can tell by the greenish looking pin. Here are some very special diodes. Wow. Here are the loading caps for the power supply. And this, I guess, is the horizontal amplifier, the timing circuit, because these are timing capacitors. High precision, metallized paper caps, sealed Here is the horizontal amplifier. 1971. Great. Oh, I love all the gold plating. This is so beautiful. Look at that. Wow. What is it? This is the 200 megahertz or 100 megahertz bandwidth switch. Isn't it beautiful? A cute little custom IC. Wonderful. And another one. Wow. Awesome. This is the vertical position potentiometer. Nice. Excellent quality, of course. Burns. Wonderful. This, I guess, is the input attenuator. It is frequency compensated with capacitors. Beautiful. Nice. Here's the fan motor. The CRT. Underneath you see the delay line. Beautiful. Look at the grounding. Wow. This is serious. This circuit board, I guess, belongs to the power supply. There are some transistors mounted onto the aluminum panel. So I guess these are regulators. A perfect shielding for the CRT. That's nice. We are not finished yet. This is the portion underneath. And look at that. Here is a part of the power supply. I see full bridge rectifiers. Voltage regulator. Of course, it's a normal transistor, but it is acting as a voltage regulator. Beautiful. Wonderful. Some more cheapish potentiometers. Woohoo! Wonderful. Here is another one, this time Allen Bradley, AB. I have hooked it up to a Variac, and now we will see if it is powering on, or if there is magic, or if there is magic smoke coming out of the unit. 60 volts, 100 volts. Power is on, pull is on. Okay. I'll give the capacitors time to formate slowly. 160 volt, 180, 200, 240. Oh, nice. Look. Woohoo! This unit was on store since, I guess, 10 years, probably even longer. And you would not believe it, but it is working. Wow. The CRT is bright and sharp. Wonderful. I'm not too happy with the focus. There we go. Fine. It's not perfect, but I'm quite happy. Look at that. Isn't it beautiful? Woo! Classic Tektronix. Awesome. Thank you. If you liked this video, please give it a big thumbs up and see you again soon. Bye.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn.